Ghana support on the terrorists.
Dukuba. Table Gumi. On Ghana Nego. But he's not really supporting them. He might be supporting them end up, but what we are seeing as is an intermediator. Okay, go ahead. I will give my own reasons.
What happened?
Yes.
Okay.
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 Once again, thank you for bringing up this issue because of this issue, they almost killed me at Stonegate. When we were discussing about Biafra, I told them I'm 100% Biafra. I mean, nobody loves Igbo like I do. When I was in Nigeria, I refused to go to township. You see the way people go to holidays. Once I finished school, I mean, I almost go. When I was at the teaching hospital, I go to the village every day to hang out with my people. In as much as I've not gone back over 15 years, I talk to at least 10 Nigerian people every day. Nobody is more proud than I. Yeah? Nnamdi Kalu. No, I wanted to introduce myself.
Go ahead.
Nnamdi Kalu. I mean, I'm the only Nigerian that will see anybody in this country and say, one need the colonial buy, we're not buying. A lot of people don't do that. On this, now, boss, now, I'm a motor fool. So I stop on the road and say, you look like Nigerian, give me your number. That's how much I'm proud of Nigeria. Okay, Nnamdi Kalu, the movement he started was amazing, and that was why a lot of people believed in him, followed him, donated. I've donated if you don't know. If not that I lost my old phones, I will show you my chat. I will show you my chat with Nnamdi Kalu. But we have living witnesses that can attest to that. Do you know Obidi? You know Obidi? You know Obidi is part of Biafra, right? Thank you. Do you know Obidi is the one representing Biafra in California? Do you know Obidi and Baba Chijoke are the ones representing Biafra in California? I mean, they've gone to Russia and London to have summit with Nnamdi. And if Nnamdi has to come here, they're the ones that will welcome him. 2012-13, I met Obidi at CMG Hall. He was I didn't know him. It was a party. He was putting on Igbo cap. I said, brother, I love this cap. He gave me his number and sent me updates for Biafra. My brother, I don't mean to disrespect you. Eh? No. Let me ask you a question. What's the highest level of education? You asked me a question, I answered you. Now you don't want to answer me. Okay, my brother, do you know there's a thin line between peaceful demonstration, protest, agitation, and terrorism? You know, right? Do you know I can come here? Okay. Do you know? You see what I did with Jerry? I will go to Jerry's. I won't go inside. I will stay outside. I will tell people Jerry don't have license. She don't clean his shop. My girlfriend ate here and died. That is demonstration. Sheriff came there. Detectives came. Ghana police came. They said they don't have any case against you. What I'm doing is demonstration. Okay. When I start making threats like Nange Wonya, I will burn here. That is terrorism. Okay. That is the criminal charges. Okay. Most things that they didn't indict him because of what he did, though, is what he said. Okay. I mean, 80% of people who are in jail or who have been killed is not what they did, is what they said. Because the hardened and the seasoned criminals are so smart that before they do something, they look for the loophole. Okay. You know what I mean? And that is why a lot of people like Obama than Trump. Even if Trump does more job than Obama, people will prefer Obama because Obama is an orator like Peter Obi. Okay. They call it sweet tongue. That is what kids and women love. Okay. Right? Mm-hmm. I understand the grievances of Nnamdi Kalu. I understand he's traumatized. Okay. He had lost his house. The father is dead. The mother is dead on the course. And he's been there at least 4 or 5 years, if I'm not lying. Okay. But when he's saying, when you see this person, nothing, kill him. If mother will come back, do this. You don't know he was saying something like that, telling the IPO that if they see the Northern, they should kill him. If they see all these leaders, it's not just him. He was saying any politician that doesn't support the Biafra movement, well, they should. That's terrorism, bro. You're an adult. You should know better. There's a difference between saying, "But I'm hungry," or "Buy me food," or "I don't like this thing." What you do, saying, "But if you know buy me food, I go kill you." That's the jail time. Everybody loved Nnamdi Kanu. Even the white people were contributing. We go to Lemon Park, and people don't know what is Nigeria, but they know what is Biafra. And we tell them who told you what is Biafra. They will pull up on Nnamdi Kanu's channel, right? But he exceeded the line between demonstration, protest, and terrorism. At the end of the day, he was making terrorism threats, inciting violence. That was why some people were locked up in black movement that they did after somebody was choked by the police. It's okay to say the American police hate black people, the American police are not doing their job, but when you start saying you're gonna go and burn the police station, that's terrorist threat. It's not even criminal threat. That is classified as terrorism. And Nigeria as a sovereign nation, any threat you make there is considered terrorism. My brother, I don't follow go there for what I know they tell me. I'm a seasoned Nigerian, bro.
I'm just asking you a question.
I know we are being marginalized. I know they hate us. I know we are being intimidated. I know the chances of us producing a president is 1/99. But Nnamdi Kanu exceeded his limit. See, that's what I'm saying. If he was doing those normal agitation, sensitization, there's nothing like Pasha in the law court. There's nothing like Pasha in the law court. My brother, do you know what we need? Appeal. We need to.
He will do appeal.
No, it's not just him. The Nigerian government cannot let him go because they know if they let him go, that's more chances of Peter Obi winning. Nnamdi Kanu is not the only one that faced as individual. They know Nnamdi Kanu is a key to a lot of things. You understand? So now listen to me. What we need to do is people in diaspora will go to Nigerian embassy and go to the US White House and tell them that maybe this guy has made a mistake, but it's not enough reason to give him life. For the fact he did not kill anybody, it's just words of mouth. Even in America, he cannot do more than 5 years because he can actually go and say he's mental. That's why he was saying all those things. Except they can trace him shipping ammunition or some things like that.
He was saying the way they're killing his people. Remember that? He said that when he's doing broadcasting.
He was telling the IPBO to kill the Northerners if they see them in their farms.
Why wouldn't the IPO be there?
My brother, I sleep on my phone every day. I was listening to all those things. And internet don't forget. There is no way Nigerian system will lay him terrorism allegation. Nnamdi Kanu represent the Igbos, but these people you mentioned represent small tailor group. So he's a political key in Nigeria. That's why his case is strong. If Nnamdi Kanu was the leader of kidnappers in the east, or he was a bunker, his case would be this strong. He's a political figure, and he's threatening the state of Nigeria. You don't know what it means. He's educated. He's schooled in London. He should know better. And eventually,
you know what it is?
And when I dialogue with some of the key leaders here, they said eventually they put out from the movement because he started being egocentric and personal.
Yeah, remember Nnamdi got paid bubble 14 people.
I know now, but what I'm saying is that he disappoints.
What you gonna do?
Well, it's not enough reason to make a threat. If a police kill my son and that goes around to threaten America, I will go in for that. I can agree. I can aggravate.
America will not come over and kill you. If you sue them, they will pay you a lot of money. He won Kenya. And Kenya accepted to pay him more money for that.
Well, my brother, I don't, even though I talk too much, I don't say what I don't know. When people are saying what I don't know, I pay attention. When people are saying what I know, I would like to contribute if I'm allowed to. I won't mention them, but at least 2-3 figures that we are primary leaders of that movement here said, Nnamdi Kanu started pocketing money without transparency of accounts. They used to have organized government, like financial secretary, this, that. Eventually, he dissolved that and started pocketing the money. My brother, this is what these people said. I'm not saying I said. I didn't say it's true. I'm telling you. When somebody says and say angel beat him.
You will not take your money.
Okay. My brother, do you know why Nnamdi Kalu went to Kenya? Where they captured him. You know why? Do you know why?
Why?
They asked him to come and take some money. As a leader of a political, my brother, I don't do hearsay. I can put a phone call. I say, sister, I don't say this one touch you, but it's not serious. God bless you, mommy. One get it. One get it. One open over there. Wait for game. I'm going to give it to my account. My brother, they said Nnamdi Kalu went there for money without going with anybody. Why would you make that move as a leader? Welcome, madam. You are representing a nation. Mr. Emma, you are representing, you know, at the time he became more powerful than the governors. And you know you are making, and you know your life is endangered. And they lure you to come and take money, and you jetted off. It doesn't make you a wise person. No, he lost his senses eventually. He lost his senses eventually. Well, what difference would that make? It paralyzed the economy of the northerners, of the easterners. Of the easterners. No, the sit at home paralyzed the economy of the easterners because if business now moved to Asaba. If you go to Asaba now, the shop I wanted to rent, they're telling me 4.5 million. But in Onitsha, I can get such shop for 500,000 naira because of insecurity and that lockdown. Think of the economic aspect and the life endangered, bro. You can go to White House and tell Trump anything. As long as you're not threatening him, nobody will touch you. Demonstration is legal. Yeah?
You can go there and tell him anything as long as you don't threaten.
Did you hear me? You can go to White House, stand outside and demonstrate and protest. As long as you're not causing a criminal threat or vandalizing anything, nobody will touch you. The TVs will even come. People will be bringing you food there. Oh. My boy, this government, and I get people for government, no be just, I don't just open mouth and talk. Now, that's the guy that did Wakanda now. Is this guy that did Wakanda now? This was the guy that did Wakanda. I think he died of cancer or leukemia.
Which one?
This guy, he was the one that did Wakanda. He died of leukemia.